Hello everyone, and in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can use the AI tools in CapCut. So one thing I like about CapCut is its many features here, and we can edit photos or videos like a pro. So one of them is the AI feature. So style feature is one of them. Make photos and videos stunning. So for example, we try click the photos or photos or video and select style and select the AI that you like. For example, select the 3D Zoom Pro, or you can select another the GP Anim to available here, Cosmic Epic, camera boards as you like. Just click check mark and that's it. Alright, so another features, you can change text into zone. For example, select text, add text, and mark and select text to speech to change the text into sound.
Hi.
Right.
Hi.
For example,
Hi.
check mark. You can hear.
Hi, hello.
Alright.
Hi, hello. Hi, hello.
So that's how you can use the AI tools in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.